Myself, JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic conservation of wildlife in India. Wildlife includes all non-domesticated plants, animals and other organisms. Domesticating wild plants and animals species for human benefits has occurred many times all. This has effects are all over the planet and has a major impact on the environment, both positive and negative. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems, desert, rainforest, plains and other areas including the most developing urban sites. All have distinct forms of wildlife, but today most of the wildlife around the world is affected by human activities. This has been a reason for debate throughout recorded history. Wildlife of India is a mix of species of diverse origins. The region's rich and diverse wildlife is preserved in numerous national parks and wildlife sanctuaries across the country. And since India is home to a number of rare and threatened animal species, wildlife management in the country is essential to preserve these species. According to one study, India, along with mega diverse countries, and is home to about 60 to 70% of the world biodiversity. India, lying within the Indo-Malaya ecozones, is home to about 7.6% of all mammalians, 12.6% of avians, and 6.2% of reptilians, and 6.0% of flowering plants species. Need conservation for wildlife in India. The need for conservation of wildlife in India is often questioned because of the apparently incorrect priority in the face of directly poverty of the peoples. Many rare species of animals that are only found in India are getting exciting day by day. Examples are West Bengal tigers, Asiatic lions found in India, many species of reptilians, etc. Wildlife Protection Acts. The Wildlife Protection Acts of 1972 refers to as beeping package of legislation enacted in 1972 by the Government of India. The Act provides for the protection of wild animals, birds and plants, and for matters connected therewith are ancillary or incidental thereto. The Act came in action in 1972 and thereafter increased the protection of wildlife to high levels. Conservation challenges. The challenges to conservation of large mammals in a developing country like India are complex. The need of increasing human populations and the consequent growth of the market, where India has become part of the expanding global economy and has been at the center of conservation problems of our country. The protected wildlife areas constitutes a mere 3% of the total land mass, with ever increasing pressures on this fragmented landscape. Any further exploitation of the last remainings widths of protected area to meet humans and development needs, which in any events need to be met by using 97% of the landscape, will surely lead to the dissemination of large mammals assemblages. Conservation of large mammals in India is beset with serious problems such as habitat loss, fragmentation of forests, illegal hunting, commercial exploitations of forest products, livestock grazing, forest fires, and unscientific management practice and uh, inorganics of the need of wildlife conservation. Okay, thank you students.